Good morning, students. We can take the rest part of chapter Health is Wealth. To get cured, the headman starts following Ramabai's advice, but the headman finds it difficult to follow the instructions in toto. On the very first day, he walks down to the neem tree with great difficulty and, with the help of dozen servants, pull down a leaf. So, to get relief, cured means relief, the headman started to follow the Ramabai's advice. Advice means instruction. But when he started to follow the instruction, he find it is difficult for him to follow the instructions in toto. Instructions in toto means instruction in total. So he find difficult instruction to follow total. On the very and the first day, he started to walk to neem tree with very difficult and with the dozen servants. Dozen servants means about 12 servants. He pulled down a leaf. He took a leaf with the help of 12 servants. After coming back to his house, he relaxes for the whole day. The next day, Ramabai comes to find out how the headman is doing. So, after coming back to his house, he relaxed the full day, and the next day, after this day, Ramabai came to the headman how the things are going. Does the headman is following her advice or not? He came to see the headman. However, she encourages the headman to continue the treatment. So she supported. Encourages means she supported the headman to go with the treatment. The same incident is repeated the following day. As days pass, surprisingly, the headman finds that he is able to walk up to tree on his own. So this thing is kept repeating every day. As the day passed, surprisingly, the headman find that he is able to walk along to the tree. Then he realizes that he is not so tired after returning from the tree, and he now enjoys the walk to the tree and back from it. At times he even looks forward it. So he enjoyed. So he realized means he understood that he is not tired after returning from the tree, and he started to enjoying the walk to the tree and coming back from it. After 15 days, the headman feels much better. He appears to be somewhat thinner and more energetic. So after 15 days, the headman becomes somewhat a little bit thinner and more energetic. What a surprise! At the end of 30 days, the headman cannot only sit and stand up all by himself but also walk. So after the end of these 30 days, headman is very surprised because he not only can sit and stand by himself but he can walk by himself. He is happy that Ramabai has made him realize the importance of exercise and the disadvantages of overeating. So he understood the importance of exercise, and the problem of disadvantages means the problem of overeating by Ramabai, and he is very happy. As promised, the headman gives a bag full of gold coins to Ramabai. So as the proclaimer started announcing that headman of our village is ill, the person who cures will get a reward. So as the announcement goes like, the headman promised to give a bag full of gold coins to Ramabai, and Ramabai returned home as rich and famous woman physician. So Ramabai returned to his home by having gold coins and by becoming rich and very famous woman physician. Physician means it is doctor, and even the doctor know the things, everything about the medicine. So you can call it physician as a doctor. So she left, go back to her home by becoming a famous doctor and rich. Everyone in the village is happy for Ramabai. So everyone is very happy for Ramabai because Ramabai has cured the illness of headman. So in this chapter there is a moral, or there is a lesson is there. What is the moral of the story? Exercise and eating the right food keep us healthy. So eating a well balanced food can help to get nutrients and to get health to our body. So we should include these things in our daily activities. Include healthy foods like healthy vegetables, healthy fruits, healthy food. We should keep right types of food at right times of the day, and also we should include regular exercise and workout every day to keep our health fit, okay, and to keep us healthy. So that's the moral of the story. So everyone should follow that.